Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So if you've accidentally changed the language to the one you don't know and you have no idea what to do, then let's open the settings. So this gear icon, let's tap on it. Here we have to scroll all the way down and find the system, so the one with the with this kind of update icon or something like that. Let's tap. Now let's tap on the second option, so languages, and here the first one, system languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all, let's say, applied languages, or here we've got the shortcut of the languages which we wish to use. In my case, I've got 3, but let's start with adding new one. So just tap on add a language, this plus icon, and here we've got the full list of available languages. So simply find yours and tap on it. I'll pick Greek. After that, your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to change the language. So simply tap on the first option, set as default. And now you can see that the Greek language has been immediately applied to this shortcut list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here, you can quickly change the system language by reordering them. So let's pretend I'd like to set the maybe Polish. Sorry. So just tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. Now we have to tap on this right option, so I believe it is change or apply. And now we've got Polish language applied. Let me quickly change it to English. Alright, and if you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now mark the languages which you wish to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.